Hello and welcome back to Olotita. I'm Krista Shirley, and I wanted to share some really exciting things with you guys that are happening not just on the channel, but locally in Orlando and internationally next year. First up, on January the 4th, which is a Tuesday, we will begin offering weekly yoga video tutorials right here on Olotita, our Wholeness channel. And I'm really excited to bring that to everyone. I don't care if you're brand new to yoga and you've never stepped on a yoga mat before, or you are a seasoned practitioner. I think there's something in these videos for you to enjoy. And so those will feature every Tuesday at 7 a.m. right here on Olotita. Also starting January the 4th on Tuesday and every Tuesday at the Center for Spiritual Living right here in Orlando on Edgewater Drive, I will begin doing weekly Mysore classes again. And that will occur every single Tuesday right here in Orlando. In addition, we have finalized the 2022 Yoga, Meditation, Mindfulness, Adventure History Retreat through Turkey. It will be October 1st through the 15th of 2022. And I promise to bring you a lot more details to come in the near future. I have worked really, really hard to plan a magical trip for us all. And I really look forward to hopefully sharing that trip with you as well. We have had so much wonderful feedback from all the videos that we've taken the time to post the last few months. And I cannot thank you enough for genuinely providing feedback on our content. These videos are for you, and I want to know what you want to see. This is a wholeness channel, so it'll never just focus on yoga or just nutrition or just meditation or just mindfulness. It's going to be everything because that is what makes life whole. That is what I do to create, maintain, and enjoy wholeness in my own life. And I want to share authentically the things that I do to find and enjoy wholeness. We do have a lot of wonderful things coming up for you guys. In addition to the yoga videos, there's going to be nutrition videos and a lot of videos to help you empower yourself to make the changes that you want to live your best life. Thank you so much for all of your likes, subscribe, shares, and your comments. They always mean so much. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.